Homes by Tabor came highly recommended by our son that has just heard great things about Tabor homes, and that he and his little wife are looking to buy a Tabor as well. So that's exactly why we just chose to go Tabor. My name is Debra Bias and I am in Nichols Creek Cove. I loved the home buying experience for the fact that it was very quick and very matter of fact. Everything went just as we were told. We chose the Mallory Plus because of the size of the kitchen and the overall layout of the home and allowing us to downsize. The favorite thing about my house is the kitchen, and with that is the pantry, because I have not had a great pantry like this plan offered me in several years. So I've had a few experiences with the warranty department, and it has been incredible. They have been just ASAP on getting me the proper technicians out to address whatever issues I might be having. I would think the feature that is very exciting to us is our outdoor space and the size of it. Absolutely would recommend Tabor Homes to friends and family.